welcome back to today's video. Today again I am reviewing a newly launched product which I am using for I think 15 days or 20 days, and I am ready to review this product. So know everything about this newly launched. So this is the product, guys. This is Urban Botanics rose distilled water. Now this is free from all the harmful chemicals, means it is written over here. I am just reading it out. It is 100% pure and steam distilled, chemical free, preservative free, additive free, therapeutic grade, not for internal use. You can't intake this rose water, okay? And it's an Ayurvedic product, okay? So everything what was written I have told you. Date of this product is July 2019, and you can use it till June 2020. That means you have 1 year in hand to use this product. I believe this product is chemical free, preservative free. That's the reason it can't stay for a long time, and it makes sense, right? And yes, I was a bit skeptical. I was a bit skeptical before buying this because it was really pricey, and it is really pricey. But when I was just going through all the reviews of this product, all the reviews, I can say upon 100, I can say 90% reviews were so positive about this product, and so I just thought, why not go for this newly launched product, this. And I love rose water anyway. It is so refreshing, and it is so hydrating, and in this monsoon season, rose is really good for your skin. I don't know whether you know this or not, but rose is really good. Even you can use rose sheet mask. So many things are there, guys. Anyways, this is the monsoon season, and I love face mist. I love toners. I have a lot of different types of toners. With some products I'm happy, with some I'm not, and regarding this I must tell you, this is very refreshing, and I will show you the application, don't worry. And the smell, now talking about the smell, first thing I must tell is I like this product and I love this product because what it claims, it is true. It is going to give your skin that moisture you need. My skin is super duper dry, and this is the toner. Yes, I have paid $3.99. I don't mind investing in something good. It really refreshes my skin, and I am kind of now getting addicted to it, I often now and then I go on and I just spray the toner. I feel so refreshed. After reviewing this product, I have to be 100% honest with you guys. The first day when I used this toner, I didn't like the smell at all, okay? Then I don't know why, I kept on using it, and when I kept on using it, I really felt the difference in my skin. My skin is really very dry. Now it has become I have used till 15 days, okay, because it is manufactured only in the month of July. So I am using it for 12 or 15 days. I didn't count the days. My skin felt the difference, okay. My skin started glowing, and it really becomes hydrated when I use this toner, and my skin is dry, so it is very hard and difficult to find toners which doesn't only saves but really hydrates your skin. And after using this is a great facial mist also. I at times skip the moisturizer part also because I don't like to feel that chipku, and somehow I believe this is the natural smell which I get from this product, and now I am just simply loving this, guys. So I just want you all to, if you are someone who love to try different brands, I will tell you, and you love toners, face mist and all of that, and even you can use this, in your DIYs also. I will be using it, just bought it, but I will use it surely one day. So I would like to tell you something, guys. Just try this out, and trust me, you will never regret. It comes in a spray bottle. As you can see, it is really very easy to use. Just open it, spray it, and feel the difference, guys. And you will also get addicted just like me only. It provides a healthy glow on your face. It cleanses your face very nicely. If you are having mild makeup, you can just spray this and use a cotton pad to remove everything from your face. I talked about this toner so much. I think I have made this video very lengthy, guys, because why I talk so much, because somewhere it is written, if you buy this bottle you will come to know that it is written that please leave a review, your review matters. I always tell you this guys, that please leave your comments behind, and please leave a like if you have liked my video. So many times I tell this, and the product says the same thing to me also, and I was having a platform where I can share my honest review. I really like this product. From the beginning of the video I told you the reasons. I really love this product a lot, guys, and I wish this brand a very good luck. I know that this is a newly launched product, and I believe that it is going to do pretty well, and anyways guys, I have to say goodbye now. And yes, before I leave, always I say, do subscribe to my channel and do share this video. This brand is new and this toner is, you know what. And so yeah, what else to say? Something I have to say, I have said everything, okay, and I have to go somewhere also. Anyways, take care, lots of love, tata, God bless, bye.